So welcome guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to make engine from SmartVT Spingo kit. We are going to need this part number 1, and also needed this part number 2. First take a part number 1 and also take part number 2. Then attach it like this and take a blue rubber band and fix this, and take part number 3 and also attach it like this and take blue ring, and take a part number 4 take a blue rubber band and attach it like this. Then take a back wheel and attach it like this, the back wheel, and take a part number 5 and attach it like this and take 4 O-rings to fix it. Then take a part number 5 and attach it like this. Attach it like this. Then take O-ring and attach it like this to fix it. Then take a part number 9 and attach it like this, and take a orange rubber band and attach it like this. Then take a part number 9 and attach it like this, and take a orange rubber band and attach it like this. Then take part number 6 and attach it like this. Then take part number 8 and attach it like this, and take blue band and attach to the part number C8 and part number 9. Then take a part number 7 and attach it on this side, and make sure that is correct way to attach it. Our engine is ready, so I will make other things in next video. Thank you guys.